Welcome to part 14 of Becoming a Life Insurance Agent. This is where we are going to be breaking down and explaining benefits and options to the client. At this point, you've done the underwriting, so you've already consulted with your mentor to find out what product and what 3 options you're going to be going over with your client. The reason why we break down these benefits is because each policy has a different set of benefits. For example, whole life products do not have all the living benefits. They just have one living benefit. So we want to explain that to the client very crystal clear so they know what they're getting. Now, when we give our options, we only give 3. The reason why we only give 3 is because confused people don't buy. So if I give you 7 options, you're really gonna have to think about it. But us as the financial professional, we're gonna give you 3. The top option is obviously gonna give you the most coverage and it's gonna be the most expensive. Then we have a middle option and then of course a third option. So the client's gonna have the freedom to pick which one would suit their budget. After going over the benefits and the options, we're gonna ask the client this question. Now, like I said before, we can't commit to any of these today, but if the insurance company came back and said, hey John, you're approved for the coverage, which one of these options make the most sense for your budget to leave behind to your beneficiary so they don't ever risk losing the home back to the bank? After you ask the question, stay completely quiet. The first person that talks loses. After they've picked an option, now it's time to transition into the e-app. Stay tuned for part 15.